Good morning, students of Standard 6. Welcome in Term 2 syllabus. As you know that I am Kaisar Iqbal Shahi and I have taught you physics in Term 1. So I will continue to teach you physics. Okay? And as you know that in Term 1 syllabus you have studies 2 chapter 10 and chapter 11 in science book. Okay? In chapter 10 you will study about motion and measurement, while in chapter 11 you have studied about light, shadows and reflection of light. As per syllabus, in term 2 you will once again read two chapters in physics. Okay, chapter 12 and chapter 13 in science book. Okay, these two chapters is for physics. Okay, now today I will start chapter 12. So let us see once again. This is start from day 1. Okay, subject physics, chapter 12, and the chapter name is electricity and circuit. Okay, chapter's name is electricity and circuit. So kindly request to all of you, please turn on page number 130 of your science book and sit with pen and notebook. Okay, so let us see page number 130. This page is fully based upon introduction of this chapter 12. Okay, you will see there is a figure in the page number 130, and this figure shows that the conversation between daughter and father. Okay, what type of conversation? This conversation is fully based upon electricity and circuit theory. Okay, so see here, see first line, all of you see in your book. An electrician is wearing rubber gloves while doing electrical wiring in Saila's house. That means daughter's name is Saila. This is Saila. Okay, Saila is a character. Okay, and an electrician, this is electrician. Okay, he is working with electrical equipments and wear gloves in his hand. Okay, she is observing, that means Saila is observing him, that means electrician. Saila is observing electrician and discussing doubts with her father, and there is Saila has some doubts. Then she asked with his father. Saila asked to her father, Papa, why does electrician wear gloves while repairing electrical appliances? Okay, that means Saila asked to her father, Papa, tell me why electrician use gloves when he works with electrical equipments. Okay, then father told the answer, Saila, it is because the rubber gloves protect him from getting an electric shock. That means when an electrician work with electrical equipment, then there is a chance to getting electrical shock. So he wear gloves to protect from such shock, electrical shock. Okay, then Saila again asked a question, how can rubber gloves protect him from electric shock? Then Saila asked her father, tell me Papa, how can rubber gloves protect him from electric shock? Okay, students, now let us read the chapter and we will try to know the answer of Saila's query. Students, see page number 131 and see the first para. Scientific inventions have made this world worth living. That means scientific inventions, today's done the life easier. Okay, the invention of electricity is one of the greatest wonders. That means electricity is also an useful thing which is invented by scientists. Okay, indeed we can't even dream of living without electricity in modern times. Try to understand how will you manage without electricity. You all, in my opinion, you are nothing without electricity in today's life. Okay, because you need electricity in each and every moment. Okay, just like watching TV, okay, playing game from your mobile is charged with electricity, so we can't imagine without electricity of today's life. Okay, kerosene, while lanterns and gas lamps, there are two types of lamps which is run by kerosene, which is glow by kerosene, and gas, okay, are now things of the past. These are not uses today, these are used in earlier stage. Okay, electricity has many uses in our day-to-day life. It is used for light, fans, and running domestic appliances such as electric ovens. That means electricity is used to glow the bulbs which produce light in our rooms. Okay, running fans, domestic appliances like as geyser, TV, ovens, air condition, AC, induction cooktops, many more. Okay, that means there are so many things in our daily life which is used by electricity. Okay, so all these provide comfort to people, and these things is used by the people to take easier work. Okay, in factories large machines are operated with the help of electricity. In factory, that is electricity is also compulsory because their heavier machines are run by electricity. Students, see second para of same page, page number 131. Do you know where we get electricity from? Have you any idea about this? Where electricity comes from? Let us see the answer. We get electricity from power station. That means the electricity is generated in power station. Okay, power station or power plant. It is also called power plants. That means the space where electricity is generated is known as power station or power plant. Generate electricity. There are various types of power station, and electricity is generated by water, wind, coal. So there are different types of power station. Thermal power station. Thermal power station means where electricity is generated from coal. Nuclear, okay, where chemical reaction take place and the electricity generated. This is called nuclear power plant. And the last one is hydro power station. Hydro means water, where electricity is generated by water is known as hydro power station. There are times when the supply of electricity may fail. There sometimes happens light gone from your home. Okay, in such condition a torch is sometimes used for producing light. Then you will use torch light. Okay, have you any idea about from where does torch get electricity? That means how can you say torch glow, the bulb of torch glow? What are the things inside the torch? That means what material, what things we had to use to glow the bulb of torch? Let us see in next class about the object things inside the torch. Students, today's class is over. Now it's time for your homework, so write down your homework. Students, now this is your homework for day 1. Okay, I have given only one question. What do you mean by thermal and hydro power station? Okay, question number 1, what do you mean by thermal and hydro power station? Thanks to all of you to listen me. Have a nice day.